back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassandra. Today we are in the kitchen making something really special. This is one of my favorite sauces to make, and you can use any protein of choice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you love cooking videos, if you love healthy living tips, healthy recipes, then this is the channel for you. So kindly hit that subscribe button and of course, share this video with others. If you want to impress your guests, you want them to feel like they are in a 5-star restaurant, then this recipe is for you. I'm going to be taking us through the basic ingredients that you need for this recipe. Remember that you can tweak things up a bit and adjust based on your preferences and based on the food ingredients available to you. I have some beef here and it has been marinated overnight. The basic spices and herbs, garlic, ginger, little salt is going to be our protein for this recipe. I have some green and red bell peppers here. You can also add other colors of bell peppers. I also have some sliced carrots, any shape that you want, one medium-sized red onion, garlic and ginger, coconut milk. This recipe is perfect for anyone, regardless of your health goal, whether it's weight loss, weight management. One thing I always advise is whatever meal that you're preparing, make sure that you're eating a balanced diet. And from what we can see here, we have vegetables, we have vitamins and minerals. Let's get straight into the cooking process. 2 tablespoons of oil. So just put in the marinated beef. You're going to allow this to simmer on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to flip it over when the other side is a little bit cooked. So now flip it to the other side. I need to get my apron so I don't have any stain on my dress. Oh my God, I think I have. This is much safer. In the same pan, you're going to add a little bit of oil. First, I'm going to add the garlic and ginger. Now the onions will go in. So tell me in the comments where you're watching this video from. Tomato paste. I really love this product because the taste is very natural. So I'm going to add about half of this into, so add this here and stir this. Just a drizzle of coriander, some nutmeg, a little bit of salt, and some Knorr seasoning powder. I have Scotch bonnet pepper and red chili. Now pour in the coconut milk. In there to cook with the sauce. Cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes. The bell peppers and the carrots. Combine this properly. So the sauce is ready and I can tell you for a fact that it is so delicious. You can have this with sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, pasta, rice, whatever it is that you want to have it with. I really like the fact that it has a lot of vegetables, so it keeps you full, and the flavors, the garlic, the ginger, everything is just perfect. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe, and also tell me what you would love to add or what you would love to remove. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. And if you're interested in getting any of my recipe books, the links are in the description box. I'll see you next time. Bye.